The cost of Moonriver probably won't have made a buzz in the digital money market, yet it surely has procured its situation as the top number 194 positioning crypto resource by market cap. The Moonriver was made by the Moonbeam establishment to subsidize the development, advancement, and reception of the Moonbeam and Moonriver organization and its environment. Be that as it may, what else is in the Moonriver organization? Is it helpful to put resources into it? Is there a future? And is the innovation hardy and practical? We should find out as we investigate the future value examination of the Moonriver, its local utility token Moonriver MOVR figure. Outline of Moonriver. We should begin by getting to know a piece about Moonriver. The Moonriver is an Ethereum viable savvy contract parachain that works on the Kusama mainnet. The essential thought for the Moonriver network is to work as a brilliant agreement stage fit for giving a one-stop center to clients to redeploy Ethereum dApps without the requirement for design into the Kusama organization. How can it function? Moonriver is planned to fill in as a brilliant agreement stage equipped for redeploying the Ethereum dApps with negligible rubbing. So, the Ethereum dApps need not be reconfigured or modified to work on the Kusama organization. In the event that you don't know, Substrate is a structure for making a novel blockchain and applications that can run on the Kusama and Polkadot organizations. To do this, Moonriver offers the accompanying administrations to designers. EVM execution. This takes into account Ethereum-based savvy agreements to move to Kusama with insignificant exertion. Web3 viable APIs. This permits Ethereum-based instruments, for example, MetaMask wallet, to work with the Moonriver organization. Spans. This takes into consideration token exchanges, state perceivability, and message passing with Ethereum and different chains like Solana or Bitcoin. It additionally has many underlying incorporations for resources, for example, DAB and ERC20, and framework administrations like Chainlink. The local money of Moonriver is MOVR, and it is vital to keeping up with and working the stage. It very well may be utilized to pay exchange charges, support savvy contract execution, boost collators for producing blocks to help the organization, and work with the on-chain administration systems. Moonriver Specialized Investigation. For this Moonriver Specialized Investigation, we will utilize RSI, Bollinger Groups, and moving midpoints, the absolute most famous specialized markers. It hasn't been since a long time ago the Moonriver was recorded on the trades. The outline beneath shows that the Moonriver cost increment took off on high expectation of the MOVR token being an alluring resource. This made the Moonriver MOVR cost rise quickly, making a high in September 2021. At present, there is a declining phase of the Moonriver coin. However, in the event that recuperation is noticed, it could increment further for the time being. Subsequent to shaping the high in September 2021, the Moonriver just a tad, laying out a help level close to $240 cost level. From here, the Moonriver MOVR cost again takes off, attempting to frame another high, making the greatest cost at $495.71, making it the unsurpassed high. It seems to be the MOVR cost is attempting to frame a decent base prior to breaking out. The amassing dispersion pointer shows that there is an interest in the resource since the up-moving aggregation line addresses the posting. The Moonriver cost today is somewhat over the 50-day moving normal. The above graph shows that the unpredictability was high in September 2021. On October 11, 2021, the unpredictability was the least since the posting of Moonriver, and the exchanging volume began to fall underneath the normal exchanging volume. In the final part of October 2021, the Moonriver MOVR cost started to flood again on high volume, expanding the unpredictability once more and making an overbought condition on the RSI pointer. The RSI is set at 49.31. The ongoing cost levels are very steady with low instability. It seems to be the Moonriver token is attempting to shape a strong union base prior to breaking out according to the Moonriver MOVR cost forecast. It is probably going to occur on high volume, sending the MOVR cost up in a solitary day for tremendous benefit on the off chance that this occurs. Moonriver value expectations. 2022 to 2026. The Moonriver cost conjecture depends on past costs joined with prescient information demonstrating calculation. Kindly note that the Moonriver value forecast ought to just be deciphered as an idea or a clear sign representing things to come. Cost as the past cost is just a device. It is difficult to impeccably anticipate the cost of anything. In any case, these act as a device, which can assist with further developing the dynamic cycle. Notwithstanding, sticking to legitimate gamble the executives is thought of as mindful while financial planning. This isn't monetary counsel, and any productive speculation framework straightforwardly relies upon risk openness. The least conceivable level to enter an exchange for Moonriver cryptographic money will be challenging to distinguish. Brokers and financial backers ought to do their own exploration prior to utilizing any kind of gauge framework. The Moonriver crypto value forecast is as per the following. Moonriver value expectation 2022. According to the Moonriver estimate, The cost of MOVR is anticipated to arrive at least degree of $82.96. The Moonriver cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $95.47. The typical cost all through the year will be around $88.36. Moonriver Value Forecast 2023. The information expectations models in view of the verifiable information show that the cost of Moonriver MOVR is conjectured to arrive at the very least expected cost of $89.84, with a greatest cost of $108.66 in the year 2023. The typical exchanging cost all through the year is supposed to be close to the $99 cost level according to our MOVR cost forecast. Moonriver Value Expectation 2024. According to the information and Moonriver cost conjecture models, the base level of the Moonriver coin expectation will be $82.71. The most extreme cost will be $126.42, with a typical exchanging cost of around $106.57 all through 2024. Moonriver Value Expectation 2025. As per the specialized investigation for the year 2025, the base MOVR coin value expectation will be $117.27, and the most extreme value level will be $150.03. The anticipated MOVR proposes that the typical cost will be $127.19 in 2025 according to our Moonriver crypto forecast. Moonriver Value Forecast 2026. A slight revision may be found in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. The cost expectations models show that the base cost of Moonriver estimate is supposed to be $109.75. The greatest cost will be $134.13, keeping a typical cost of $122.48 in the year 2026 in view of the Moonriver MOVR cost expectation. Where to purchase Moonriver coin? You can purchase Moonriver and sell Moonriver advanced coins from Binance and KuCoin trades to contribute due to the exchanging volume and liquidity. These are the best trades for purchasing the MOVR token. Choose the one that best suits your prerequisites. What number of MOVR tokens are available for use? Moonriver value equivalent to $67.61 starting today. The market cap of Moonriver remains at $252,519,458.42, with a completely weakened and colossal market cap of more than $676,978,987.99. The maximum inventory is covered at 10 million MOVR tokens, and the circling supply is 3,730,093 MOVR tokens. Is Moonriver a wise venture? The crypto expectations of MOVR propose that it very well may be a significant resource that can produce extraordinary returns. So hang on and don't sell Moonriver. All things considered, it is great to have a major comprehension of the organization and the worth it can give to make a determined bet. Since the crypto space is packed, it is as yet indistinct whether it very well may be a significant individual from the environment that could give great to it. All things considered, it's anything but a terrible venture by the same token. With simply specialized examination, it seems